Artist Leon Ivy Jr., August 1, 1963 to September 28, 2022, known professionally as Coolio, was an American rapper. First rising to fame as a member of the gangsta rap group WC and the Mad Circle. Coolio achieved mainstream success as a solo artist in the mid to late 1990s with his albums It Takes a Thief, 1994, Gangsta's Paradise, 1995, and My Soul, 1997. He is best known for his 1995 Grammy Award-winning hit single Gangsta's Paradise, as well as other singles Fantastic Voyage, 1994, 1, 2, 3, 4, Somepin' New, 1996, and See You When You Get There, 1997. From 1996 on, Coolio released albums independently and provided the opening track Here It Goes for the 1996 Nickelodeon television series Kenan and Kel. He created the web series Cookin' with Coolio and released a cookbook. Early life. Coolio was born August 1, 1963, in Monessen, Pennsylvania. He was raised mostly in Compton, California. His mother was a factory worker who divorced his carpenter father and moved to Compton when Coolio was 8 years old. Severely asthmatic, Coolio was a regular visitor to his local library as a boy. He started rapping as a teenager, earning the nickname Julio Iglesias, after Spanish singer Julio Iglesias, which was later shortened to Coolio. He was arrested for bringing a weapon to school and served prison time for larceny. As Compton declined in the 1980s, he became addicted to crack cocaine, but quit drugs after spending time living with his father in San Jose, California. After attending Compton Community College, he worked in jobs such as volunteer firefighting and security at Los Angeles International Airport, before becoming a rapper. Music career. Coolio recorded his first single in 1987, titled What Ya Gonna Do? He also recorded What Makes You Dance, Force Groove, with New School in 1988. Coolio made connections in the LA rap scene, and in 1991, ended up joining the group WC and the Mad Circle, led by rapper WC. He is a credited co-contributor on the group's debut album Ain't a Damn Thing Changed, including on the single Dress Code, Tommy Boy Records, and It Takes a Thief. In 1994, Coolio signed to Tommy Boy Records and released his debut solo album It Takes a Thief. The lead single Fantastic Voyage received heavy rotation on MTV and peaked at number 3 on the Billboard Hot 100. Fantastic Voyage would become one of the biggest rap singles of the year. Other minor hits from the album include County Line and I Remember. It Takes a Thief peaked at number 8 on the Billboard 200, becoming certified platinum. The album received praise for bringing a humorous and lighthearted perspective to the often violent and profane themes of typical gangsta rap. Gangsta's Paradise. In 1995, Coolio released Gangsta's Paradise, featuring R&B singer LV, for the film Dangerous Minds. It became one of the most successful rap songs of all time, topping on the Billboard Hot 100 for 3 weeks. It was the number 1 single of 1995 in the United States for all genres and was a global hit, topping the United Kingdom, Ireland, France, Germany, Italy, Sweden, Austria, Netherlands, Norway, Switzerland, Australia, and New Zealand charts. Gangsta's Paradise was the second best-selling single of 1995 in the UK. The song also created a controversy when Coolio claimed that comedy musician Weird Al Yankovic had not asked for permission to make his parody of Gangsta's Paradise, titled Amish Paradise. At the 1996 Grammy Awards, the song won Coolio a Grammy Award for Best Rap Solo Performance. Originally, Gangsta's Paradise was not meant to be included on one of Coolio's studio albums, but its success led to Coolio not only putting it on his next album but also making it the title track. The title track interpolates the chorus and music of the song Pastime Paradise by Stevie Wonder, which was recorded nearly 20 years earlier on Wonder's album Songs in the Key of Life. The album Gangsta's Paradise was released in 1995 and was certified 2 times platinum by the RIA and sold more than 2 million copies in US alone. The album contains 2 other major hits in 1, 2, 3, 4, Somepin' New, and Too Hot with J.T. Taylor of Kool and the Gang doing the chorus. Despite no longer being an official member of the group, Coolio appears on the second WC and the Mad Circle album Curb Servin' on the song In a Twist. In 1996, Coolio had another top 40 hit with the song It's All the Way Live, Now, from the soundtrack to the movie Eddie. He is also featured on the song Hit 'Em High from the soundtrack to the 1996 film Space Jam with Burial, Method Man, LL Cool J, and Busta Rhymes. In 2014, the band Falling in Reverse did a cover of Gangsta's Paradise for Punk Goes 90s Volume 2, with Coolio making a cameo in the music video. Red Hot Organization and Tommy Boy Records dismissal. In 1996, Coolio appeared on the Red Hot Organization's compilation CD America is Dying Slowly, alongside Biz Markie, Wu-Tang Clan, and Fat Joe, among many other prominent hip-hop artists. The CD meant to raise awareness of the AIDS epidemic among African American men. That same year, he recorded the music video Here It Goes, for the opening sequence of the Nickelodeon television series Kenan and Kel, which ran for 4 seasons. Coolio's third solo album, My Soul, came out in 1997. Although it contains the major hits See You When You Get There and the album went platinum, it failed to reach the success of his previous 2 albums. Coolio was subsequently dropped from the Tommy Boy Records label. Since then, 2001's Coolio.com, 2003's El Cool Magnifico, 2006's The Return of the Gangsta, and 2008's Steel Here, 2009's From the Bottom to the Top, and 2017's Long Live the Thief have not charted on any Billboard chart. He did have a minor hit in the UK in 2006 with Gangsta Walk, featuring Snoop Dogg. While touring with hip-hop duo Insane Clown Posse, Coolio received a tattoo as an homage to the group's fanbase, reading Juggalo Cool. He stated that the misspelling was intentional. Coolio performed at the gathering of the Juggalos. Coolio is featured on an international collaboration track called Fuck the DJ by UK rapper Blacklisted MC. Also featuring Bizarre D12, Adil Omar from Pakistan, and Uziman from Bermuda. The song premiered on music website Noisy from Vice in October 2014. Personal life. Coolio had 10 children, 4 of whom were born to his wife, whom he married in 1996 and divorced in 2000. In March 2022, he told Australia's Today Extra that he had 5 grandchildren. Coolio was the running mate for pornographic actress Sherry DeVille's Democratic presidential run in 2020. Death. While at a friend's house in Los Angeles on September 28, 2022, Coolio was discovered unresponsive on a bathroom floor. He was pronounced dead by first responders. He was 59 years old at the time of his death. Police have opened an investigation into his death, though foul play is not suspected. And Coolio's manager stated he appeared to have suffered cardiac arrest. Coolio was cremated in a private ceremony with no funeral service. His ashes were then encased in jewelry for his family, with the rest of his ashes going into an urn. Alright. That's it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.